Hi everyone, I hope you're all doing well. As you probably noticed, there was no ELD yesterday, but we are starting back up today, and we're just going to jump in, and I hope that you learned something new. Today we're going to get our fruit from a local source. Thank you. Today's topic is homophones. Last time we learned about homonyms, which are words with the same spelling and pronunciation but different meanings. One example of this would be like a bat like the animal and a bat like a baseball bat. They are spelled the same and sound the same, but they mean different things. Today we're going to talk about homophones. Homophones are words with the same pronunciation but different spelling and different meanings. Here are a few examples. There's the number 8, and then 8 as in like I ate something for lunch. You say them the same, 8 and 8, but they are spelled differently and they mean different things. Similar with bear, like the tree is bare, it doesn't have any leaves on it, and bear, like the animal, go Bears, go McKinley. Close, like the store's closed, and clothes, like the clothes that you put on. And then which, like when you're trying to make a decision, as in which shoes should I wear today? And witch, as in like the Halloween witch that wears a funny hat and rides on a broom. When given a choice between two words, like let's say we're trying to choose between 8 and 8, you can tell the difference by looking at the spelling and by looking at the meaning or reading the context of the sentence and seeing which one makes sense. Here's a sentence example. Mr. Santana's son is 1 year old. I know that son goes in the blank right there, but I need to figure out which son is the right son given the context of the sentence and given the spelling of the words. So if I know what each of these words mean and how they're spelled, it's pretty easy to figure out which son would go in the blank right there. So I know, because I know how sun, like the fiery star that keeps our planet warm, is spelled, that it's not that sun, because Mr. Santana doesn't have an entire son to himself, but he does have a little baby son named Noah, and I know that that son is spelled S-O-N, which clues me into the fact that that son is the right son for this sentence. So using the context of the sentence and using the spelling. So in addition to this video and in addition to your homework, you will see on Google Classroom this document titled Some Homophones. This has all the different homophones that will be in your homework. So if you need any help or you don't know what something means, you can always click on this, find the one that you're having trouble with, like if it's no and no, and read the sentences to figure out what each one means and which one is the right one when filling in your homework. I hope that makes sense. If you need any extra help, I will be there for office hours with Ms. Thomas, Mr. Santana, and Mrs. Spear. And that is all that I have for you today. All right, thank you very much, fifth graders.